Turn over to example 3 on page 369. Macy is making each of her 7 friends a bracelet. In addition to charms, she needs 1 package of wire for the bracelets. The wire is $6. She does not want to spend more than $45 on the bracelets. Find the maximum cost for each bracelet. So she is making bracelets for 7 friends. So 7x, she has to make wire for $6 or buy wire for $6. If she doesn't want to spend more than $45, then that means what she does spend has to be less than $45. So 7x plus 6 is less than $45. Solve it just like we did the other ones. Circle my 7x, can't touch it, what can I touch? Opposite of positive 6 is negative 6. 45 minus 6 is 39, so 7x is less than 39. Divide by 7. Notice this does not divide evenly. We're going to go ahead and change that to a decimal because we're dealing with money. So C is less than or equal to roughly $5.57. So she can't pay more than $5.57 per bracelet. Pause the video and do 3A and 3B. Alfonso works for a lawn mowing service company. It takes Alfonso 3/4 of an hour to mow the lawn. If he works more than 8 hours, he gets a half-hour lunch. Write and solve an inequality to find the number of lawns he can mow if he works at least 14 hours. So notice we have that he's working 14. 14 means that he is working more than 8. So he's going to have the lawn plus his lunch. So 3/4 per lawn plus a half hour for lunch. Remember, at least is greater than or equal to. So my inequality is going to be 3/4 x plus 1/2 is greater than or equal to 14. I'm going to go to a new sheet here to work this out. Back to number 3, or 3B. Kiko prepared 28 bags of granola to sell to school fundraiser. She also received a $10 donation. Write an inequality to find the price she should charge if each bag of granola, if she wants to raise at least 115. 115 is the minimum she wants. So 28 bags of granola plus her $10 donation. 115 is the smallest she wants, so she wants this to be greater than or equal to 115. Here is my equation. 3/4 x plus 1/2 is greater than or equal to 14. Circle my 3/4 x, can't touch it. What can I touch? Opposite of plus 1/2 is minus 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and get a common denominator. 3/4 x is greater than or equal to 28 minus 1 is 27. Back to my 3/4. 3/4 and x are being multiplied. Opposite of multiplication is division. To divide fractions, I multiply by the reciprocal. My 2 and 4 are going to cross-reduce. My 3 and 27 are going to cross-reduce. And x is greater than or equal to 18. So if he works at least 14 hours, he's going to mow 18 lawns. If he works more than 14 hours, he's going to mow more than 18 lawns. 28x plus 10 is greater than or equal to 115. Draw my line, circle my 28x, can't touch it, what can I touch? Opposite of plus 10 is minus 10. 28x is greater than or equal to 105. Divide by 28, 105 divided by 28 is 3.75. X is greater than or equal to 3.75. That means she should charge at least $3.75 per bag.